Hello, my name is Daisy Alvarez Alvarado, and this is my self-interview and lesson video. So a little bit of information about me. I am a first-generation student. I am the oldest daughter with 4 younger brothers. I like to journal in the form of a scrapbook, and I like to learn new recipes, especially around the holidays. One of my strengths is that I pour everything that I can into anything that I do. I'm just a firm believer that if you're going to do anything, you should give it your all. And my best quality would be that I help anyone that I can, no matter how big or small. And if I can't directly help that person, I try my hardest to direct them with somebody who will be able to help them out. I'm just a big helper and around my family as well. Um, I'm also the one of the first to be on track to graduate college. Um, and I'm very, very excited about that. So I have a lot of younger cousins that come from a big family who just come to me for advice. And I always, always, always help them. Okay, so why teaching? I have a passion for wanting to continue to learn and grow. And I feel like in the world of education, there's always going to be opportunity to learn new things and grow, not only from the science, because I want to be a science teacher, but also from the students. You're going to learn something new from every single person that you meet. And that's just really, really amazing to me. I also love working with children. Before this, I was actually in nursing, but I realized that it wasn't for me. So I switched majors to education. For the longest, I thought that nursing was for me, but my junior year and senior year of high school, there was a program called Teen Trendsetters, started by Barbara Bush to help um, younger students with learning, specifically in reading um, and analyzing texts. I joined the program, and once a week we would go down and pull students from first to second grade and help them read and help them work with their lesson. And I just really, really enjoyed that. And that's where I really got the bug of saying, maybe teaching is for me. But since I had already planned and worked away around nursing, I felt like I should still pursue that. But once I was in college, I realized that it really wasn't for me. And here I am. Now I'm at UNTD applying for the teacher program. I also think that teachers help their communities in such a big way. And that is something that I want to do, something that I want from within my career. And there's intangible rewards being a teacher. Whenever I was part of the program of Teen Trendsetters, I was able to see a student have that aha moment where they understood what they were reading and what the question was asking of them. And I thought that was very, very beautiful. And I just couldn't get enough of it. I wanted to get more from it. And also, no 2 days are the same. Yeah, there's like a routine of coming in and setting up your classroom and the lesson, but no 2 days are the same. There's always going to be something new with your students or with an activity going on within the school. And that's just something that also really gravitates me towards teaching. Okay, so why UNTD? This community makes you feel like a family. I was previously at TWU. It's slightly bigger than UNTD, but I love the community here. It does make you feel like a family, especially because of the small classes. I really, really have enjoyed that. And then UNTD is also a community that wants to set up their students for success. And I didn't really see that at my old school, but I see it so much here, and setting mock interviews, helping us create LinkedIn accounts, just the small things that you would think that a student would do automatically, but UNTD does that a step further by helping their students navigate through that, because it can be confusing waters, especially for first generation students. And UNTD is a community that tries their best to make school affordable for all their students. And I think that is such an amazing quality of the school. If it wasn't for that, I probably wouldn't have returned to school. But I just really, really like the community that UNT Dallas sets up for their students. And it's something that I haven't seen in any other school. And I'm grateful that I was able to find this community. Okay, so now we're going to go on to the lesson portion of the video. I have prepared a math problem to solve this. Okay, Austin bought 3 cups of blueberries. He will eat 1/2 a cup of blueberries each day. How many days can Austin eat the blueberries before they are all gone? And then we have our answer choices. So first, we can start off by saying that 1 cup is equal to 2 half cups. Okay, and one way we can solve this problem is by drawing a diagram to solve. So you can draw 3 circles. Oops, let me try to make that a little bit nicer. 1, 2, 3. 3. Oh, let's see. Let's try to make it a little bit better. Sorry. Okay. And now to make this into 2, we can just cut it in half. And we can draw a straight line down the middle. Okay. So then we can label each half as 1/2. Now 1 circle is equal to 1 cup, and we can just do a little key here. Let's see, 1 circle equals 1 cup. Okay. Now we can count each individually, or we can also shade in to count how many there is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Austin would eat 3 cups of blueberries in 6 days if he ate 1/2 a cup of blueberries each day. Now I can also go in and label them in case anybody is confused. And so that leaves our answer choice as A, 6 days for Austin to eat blueberries. Now another form of getting to the answer is by creating a table to solve this. So, and it's almost just like a different way of showing it instead of circles as a table. And let's go ahead and create one. So let's make a rectangle. Oh, no, not that. Okay. So let's split this rectangle into 3, giving us our 3 cups. Sorry, I made that one too big. Let's try to make them as even as possible, just for you to understand. It's not have to be perfect either way. Just want you guys to see the general idea. Okay, and now you can split it down the middle. So this is 1 cup from here to here. Now this is 1 cup, and this is another cup. And we can do 1 cup, 2 cup, 3 cup. Let me erase that so it's more clear. Sorry, guys. 2 cups, 3 cups. And now we can label each little individual square or rectangle as 1/2. And now we would just count how many squares we have, which would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that leads us also to our answer, 6. Okay, now you could also just do multiplication to get your answer. So there's 2 half cups and 1 cup, like we have up here. So you can multiply 2 half cups times 3 cups of blueberries, and that gives you 6. And I'll go ahead and label this. This is, oops, sorry guys, let me label that better. 2 half cups, and this is the 3 cups of blueberries. Okay, hopefully you guys understood. And that is it for my lesson. Thank you very much for taking a look at this video, and I hope to hear good news. Thank you.